A rocket launch is one of the world's most inspiring feats of science. But what exactly makes these pillars of propulsion work? To find out, we're going to enlist the help of little green men. Video games can be complicated, but they're not rocket science. Except when they are. Like the popular game Kerbal Space Program, or KSP. In KSP, we're tasked with helping the Kerbals, our little small green guys, get from their home world into the depths of outer space. Now, how do the Kerbals do it? The same way we do, with the help of rockets. One of our Kerbals is sitting in his rocket ship about to lift off. His ship has solid rocket boosters and liquid-fueled main engines, which help them get up and away. But just how do the solid boosters and liquid fuel help the Kerbals and us get into space? Here's where the rocket science comes in. In order to get liftoff, we need our rockets to be thrust off the ground. We do this using a propellant, a combination of fuel and oxidizer. The resulting chemical reaction produces large volumes of very hot gas which move at super high speeds and propel our rockets up. Rocket propellants can be solid or liquid, but they all consist of a fuel and an oxidizer. Solid rockets are more chemically stable, but still pack a punch. You may be familiar with a much smaller kind of solid rocket already, a firework. Fireworks use gunpowder or black powder as a propellant. Now, black powder is the oldest rocket fuel out there, dating back to 9th century China. Now, our modern space rockets commonly use a solid propellant called composite propellant, which contains aluminum powder as the fuel and ammonium perchlorate as the oxidizer, along with binders and other additives. Needless to say, our modern solid rocket propellant is much more powerful than gunpowder. Now, when it comes to liquid propellants, we've got a lot of options. On our space shuttle, in addition to those solid boosters, there's a tank of liquid hydrogen that serves as fuel and liquid oxygen that serves as an oxidizer. Another common launch liquid fuel is kerosene. That's right, the same fuel you might use in a lamp. Kerosene used for space travel is called RP-1, with liquid oxygen again serving as an oxidizer. RP-1 is heavier than liquid hydrogen fuel, so it's typically used to fuel rockets at lower stages, like when it was used in Saturn V's first stage and with SpaceX Falcon 9. Solid or liquid, all of these propellants have the same awesome purpose: to generate a writable explosion. Now, a rocket is designed to ensure that that explosion or burn is very controlled and generates massive amounts of thrust to get rockets up rather than the unsafe out. Now, helping our Kerbals get into space is fun, just like our rocket launches back home. But our rocket launches back home are massively complicated operations involving months, if not years, of research and preparation. Our real-life launches are more complicated than the Kerbal Space Program, but the game is a great way to give us all an introduction to rocket science. And it gives us a chance to play NASA flight director. Now, if only we could get our hands on a NASA jumpsuit. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out some of our other videos.